Hey guys, I just wanted to share a key insight regarding fear of failure. When we attack a special activity which is actually a new activity, or we are entering a new segment or a new sector, or whenever it happens that we fail in any segment, we have failed once, twice, or thrice, we are bound to be in a fear of failure mindset, and we get stuck into that I can't change mindset, and based on a fear of the unfamiliar and things being different to what we are used to, or fear of failure or humiliation. This is normal. Change is scary because it involves a readjustment from the familiar and the unpredictability of the outcome. For instance, if you did suddenly become rich, you might fear that you will lose close friends who can't afford good things, or that you will invest in and the economy will turn and you will lose all your income. Consequently, you don't even try in order to avoid failure. This false belief leaves you stuck in a negative mindset and close to new ideas and change. As a result, you are likely to procrastinate and not act upon your goals for health and happiness. Research conducted by Stanford psychologist Carol Dweck reveals that the effect of how we see failure and its effect on happiness and success. She found that subjects with a fixed mindset believe things like character, intelligence, and creativity are unchangeable and avoid failure. In contrast, people with a growth mindset view failure as a means for growth. They embrace challenges, persevere against setbacks, learning from criticism, and reach higher levels of achievement. They believe that anyone can be anything, that anyone with proper motivation or education can become Einstein or Beethoven. No, but they believe that a person's true potential is unknown and that it's impossible to foresee what can be accomplished with years of passion, toil, and training. And she suggests actually focus on getting better rather than reaching excellence. This will help you believe that a life as it is for you is not fixed, that you can change your brain and get the ability you desire by developing and acquiring new skills. Embracing the notion that you can change will increase the likelihood that you will make better choices and come closer to reaching your fullest potential. We tend to take difficulty in our stride and appreciate the journey as much as the destination. In such situations where the fear of failure grips us, we should ask ourselves, what will happen if you don't take action? Also, what will happen if we do take action? And in comparing these two, we can always come to a conclusion that we should take massive action to come out of the fear of failure and to go towards success and finally achieve success. And we should ensure and we should conclude that we should understand this fear of failure exists, and we should train ourselves to come out of this fear of failure so that we take massive actions which lead to success. God bless you. All the best.